Okay, anyway, you understood the quantity classification, no?
Yeah, understood.
But this one we have already discussed. Okay, one each will be there in one carton box. If I'm putting some 10 materials, it will be 10 eaches. Or on pallet, if I'm putting 10 carton boxes, then it will be 100 eaches. Okay, something like that. We're going to do the quantity classification. Based upon this also, I can able to what is that? Do the put away. Okay, so we have seen that in the in the specifying storage type search sequence, we have around 5 different parameters. What are the parameters while doing the specify storage type search sequence? Parameters while doing specify storage type search sequence. Please tell me. These are important. Okay, you shouldn't forget them. One is put away control indicator. Second, WPT. Third, stock type. Fourth, quantity classification. And fifth is PED. Okay, like this we'll be taking the different parameters while doing the specifying storage type search sequence. Okay, so this is also one more important thing where we're going to take it as a quantity classification. Okay, quantity classification. So how the quantity classification has to take place and all we're going to discuss here. Okay, I'm just opening the SAP. Okay, so I'll go to, okay, just see the path where we will going to define the quantity classification. SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management, cross process settings. Okay, under the cross process setting, you have to go to the warehouse task. There, we have the define quantity classification. Okay, so you have to go here. Okay, it is already defined. If you want to define or else leave it, because C for the carton box and C for the pallet, it is defined. I want to take the same thing. Okay, I don't want to create some other things. Carton box is there, pallet is there. If you want to define for your own, like 3 means sorry, yeah, 3 is defined, no? So 5 means carton and 6 means pallet, you can use that. Okay, but anyway it is already there, don't do it. Just go through whatever the quantity classification you are having here. Okay, I'm just going with a C as well as P. C means carton box for me, P means pallets. Okay, I'm just going back here. We're going to define the quantity classification. Next, we have to define the unit of measure attributes. Okay, this unit of measure attributes where we're going to see, we're going to, I'll just show you. Okay, so just I'll take the path. Okay, from first onwards. Okay, go to the SPRO, IMG. Okay, just see the path. Okay, later on you shouldn't get confused here. Okay, here go to the master data, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management. Here master data we have to go. Okay, under the master data we're going to get the product here. Okay, see, under this product we'll be having a defined unit of measurements. Okay, defined unit of measure attributes. Okay, first thing we have to define the quantity classification. Then we have to define the unit of measurement attributes. Okay, unit of measure attributes. Just open this. Okay, just observe here. Okay, somebody has created for us. If you want, just delete this. Okay, just delete this. One important thing here. Okay, here you should not maintain for eaches. If you are maintaining for the eaches, no, it will not going to consider for the further level. See, somewhere. Okay, I'll just go back. And I will actually, someone has defined for us, no, this is actually the wrong thing. Okay, whoever is created earlier, that is a wrong thing actually. I'll just show you why it is a wrong thing. For eaches, we shouldn't do it. I'll we just go through this. The what is that? See, you assign the quantity classification of the unit of measure. You can also specify whether a unit of measure is stock specific or not. Okay, so those things we can able to measure it here. Okay, the system uses the quantity classification as you assign here to determine the storage steps as sequence, put away, removal, and determine the UM, the largest conversion with a so equal the system reads the assignment. Okay, make the 1 minute. I'll just show you. See here. This is important for us. Okay, that is what I said. We recommend that you only mark unit of measurements that are one level above the base unit of measurement of the product master. What is my base unit of measurement for the product master? You know what do you mean by base unit of measure and unit of measure?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Base unit of measure we have given as inches. And alternative unit of measurements we have given as a carton box and the pallet. Okay. So these are the different unit of measurement, but whatever the base is there, no, base is inches. So it is telling we recommend that you only mark UOM that are one level above. One level above means above this base unit of measurement, whatever the things are there. Like if let us consider you are taking the oil packets, okay. So those oil packets again you will going to pack it in the carton box. Again, you will be getting the oil packets. How we will going to get the oil packets and all. So again, we shouldn't maintain the eaches here. Okay, we shouldn't maintain the eaches. They are recommending that. Okay, that one we should follow it. Okay. So what I'll do, we should follow only the carton box and the pallet. We shouldn't follow the do the what is that define the for eaches. If you are defining for the eaches, nothing will going to harm. But here stock specific UM, we are avoiding it for that. Okay. So anyway, that one I don't require. Okay. For 1100, this is my warehouse. And here unit is it is asking that is like carton box I'm going to give. Carton box is 1 unit. Okay. And here quantity classification will going to take it as a C. Means if you are clicking on this, whatever the quantity classification we have defined there, they'll going to appear. You can select from here or else you can select from there. Okay. And here stock specific unit of measurement I'm telling. Means what? Whatever the stock I'm taking, for that I'm taking it as a stock specific. Means whatever the material are there, based on this unit of measurement will going to carry forward. Okay. For that I'm just taking this. And 1100, same thing. Palette I'm taking. And for this P is there. Okay. If you go and check over here, okay, you can see pallets. And here also I'm taking stock specific unit of measurement. Okay. You should maintain one level above the base unit of measurement in the product master. Okay. That one you should remember. Okay. This is important. Okay. Just save this. Okay. We have maintained. Yes.
Actually, while creating product, we are not going to use eaches or
yeah, no, while creating the product,
eaches, right?
No. While creating the product, you're going to use the HS, but this unit of measure attributes is there, no? Unit of measure attributes. Here they have given, okay? So whatever the product is there, okay? So why we are using this unit of measure attributes? You assign, okay? The system uses the quantity classification. You assign here to determine the storage type search sequence for the put away or a stock removal, okay? So whatever the unit of measure attributes we are using, based on this, it will going to store the product or else it will going to remove the products. Okay, let us consider. Okay, let us consider what I will say. In the material master, I'll first show the material master to you. Okay. Mat 1. Okay, if you go to the unit of measures, okay, here you can see 1 inches. Okay, oh, only this is maintained. Okay, I have to maintain other things means where I have to go slash and mm02 I have to go. Okay, so just go here 1100 mat 1. Okay, Click enter. I don't want all the fields. I just want the basic data. Click enter. Here, go to the additional data, and I need to maintain the unit of measure. Okay. Here I have maintained only 1 inches. No, I will going to maintain 1 carton equal to 10 inches. I'll come to your point. Okay, Ganesh bhai. So then 1.
नहीं नहीं मुझे समझ में आ रहा है बिकॉज बेस यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट मटेरियल मसल पे इंचेस रहेगा अल्टरनेटिव ओएम जो भी हम इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं that has to pick from here.
Yes.
And that will be interfaced to EWM.
Correct. Yeah, 1 level above the base unit. Base unit तो रहेगा ही. Okay. 1 level above means carton box, pallet और कुछ आए तो वो जाएगा. Okay. अगर I am considering the TU is one very big unit. Okay. Under that they may be putting around 10 pallets. Okay. So like that it will going to come further. Okay. TU means transportation unit. Okay. So that is why we are not considering the base unit of measure here. Okay, we are just considering the 1 level above the base unit of measure, that is carton box and the pallet, something like that. Okay. So yeah, I'll go to /n. Abhi aaya rahega. Okay, now if you are checking this, okay, now you can able to see the base unit of measures. Okay, see here, they are available. Okay, and see here, it is automatically will going to calculate the weight. Okay, gross weight, it is shown here, but not over here. But once I'll going to take the material, no, automatically it will going to calculate 20, okay, 20 kgs, because I have not yet created the carton box and I have not yet given the weight for this carton box. If I have given the like 1 kg for the carton box, 20 is the material weight, 1 kg is the carton weight, 21 weight it will going to show. Gross weight is what is that, 21, net weight is 20 for the materials. Okay, like that it will going to show us. Got the idea? Okay, so like that we will going to decide it. Okay, later on we'll see it. But as of now, what we were discussing is only about the define unit of measure attributes. Okay, so once I'm going to define the unit of measure attributes, I will, okay, now we're going to create 2 different storage types. Okay, because we are doing the put away, what we are doing, what I am showing it to you is, okay, here if you are going to the goods receipt process, in the strategies, in the storage type search, okay, in the specify, we have one more thing, right? So quantity classification, we haven't done it. Okay, so for this we are doing this process based upon the quantity classification, how our material is moving to different storage types. Okay, that one we are considering now. Okay, so and see, whenever you are bringing some material, let us consider you are bringing some material here. What I'll do in the I have mentioned 1 each. Okay, 1 each. Yes, okay, 1 each. Second thing I have mentioned is 1 carton equal to 10 each, and 1 pallet equal to 100 each. Right, like this I have mentioned. But once I'll going to bring the products, okay, another setting is there, I will going to discuss this. Once I'll going to bring the product, like 9 products I am bringing. In another box, I am bringing some 20 products I am bringing. In another line item, I'm telling. Okay, in the line item. In other line item, I am bringing some 200 products. Let us consider. Here, system automatically creates this 9 item. It'll go in the individual. Okay, they go individually. This 20 items, now it will going to create 2 carton boxes automatically. Automatically, it will going to create 2 carton boxes and it will going to put the material. For this, it will automatically create 2 pallets and it will going to put the material. Getting the idea?
Yes.
Okay, this one we're going to see it further, but right now what I have to do, I will going to create 2 different storage types, one for the carton box and that for the pallet, and we're going to check it. Okay, so I am going here /n SPRO, else it is already available. No? We'll just take it from here. Master data, storage type. Okay, we are defining the storage type for us. Array gone. XPRO, IMG, SEM EWM, extended warehouse management, master data, here storage type. Okay, see here, as I said, we'll be coming to the what is that quantity classification and all. So today we're going to see that. Okay, so mine is 1100 is the warehouse number, and storage type I'll see CBST, carton box storage type. Okay, carton box storage type I'm going to define. And put away rule, I'm not going to give anything. This is a standard one. Okay, put away rule is a standard one. Okay, and here quantity classification, this is important. We have to provide this. Okay, I am creating the carton box storage means I have to collect it as a C. Here I am doing the quantifying the what is that, quantifying the materials here. Okay, based upon the classification of the quantity. Okay, so like one carton box means here if 10 eaches are coming, it is automatically taken as a one carton box and it will going to come. Okay, like that. Okay, next thing what I will do is okay, so here we need to tick this because this is the final storage type. We have to tick the put away confirmation, and this one we have to take, that is the put away confirmation and the stock control. And put away rule, I'll going to give it as a 2. Okay, anything. And delete stock identification we have to provide, and confirm removal we have to do. Whenever I'm removing, I have to confirming the removal. And here also you will be getting one quantity classification somewhere else. Yeah, nothing is there. Okay, here somewhere else again. Okay, put away, see here quantity classification, another one will be coming. Okay, here also we need to select the carton box only. See the same thing again and again, it is repeating. Okay, because as I said, in EWM so many fields are available, but whenever it is required, then only we're going to use it and we're going to proceed further. Okay, it is not mandatory to maintain everything and all the fields. It shouldn't be maintained. Okay, it is not required also. Whenever it is required, just maintain and move like that. Okay, so here available group is 002 and I'm going to say it as a mandatory. So if we are doing this, this is my one of the what is that storage type. Okay, this is for the carton box. Okay, one storage type I have created for the carton box. Just save this. Okay, go back. See, one CBST I have created, just copy it. And I'm going to create one more, that is PLST. That is nothing but the palette storage type. Okay, palette storage type. Here only I'm going to change the quantity classification. See here, I'll say palette here, and downside also you should change the palette. Okay, I'm just giving a rule as addition to existing stock. Apart from this, everything is same only. Okay, just save this. And whenever we are creating the storage types, we have to create the bins as well for them. Okay, I'm just creating 2 bins, one for each /n /SCWM /LS01. Okay, I'm creating 1100 is my warehouse. Bin is CBST bin, like that we can give one bin only. One bin is enough.
See, for fixed bin, we have to create separate, and for each and everything we are considering as bins, so we can create new storage bins for that and storage types.
No, if in one particular storage type, if you don't have the bin, it will not, where it should store the products. Bin is the final entity. In the bin only you will going to see the physical stocks. Okay, and what is that? PLST bin. PLST. Okay, I have defined 2 different bins for what is that? Different storage types. Okay, now these storage types are having a bins now. Okay, now what we'll do, we're going to do the strategy. Okay, we will going to do the strategy. Okay, what strategy I'll going to do? Same thing. Okay, storage type search I'll go. Okay, here one thing in the product. Okay, product, you understood about the storage search sequence and all, right? So now I don't want to consider all those things, okay, and confuse here. Just we're going to remove everything, okay. For our product, we're going to remove them and we're going to proceed with only this particular part, okay. Here we have defined the push strategy, only that's it. And storage type data, we are defining these two now. I'll just say remove, okay, delete. I'm deleting these things, okay. I'm not doing any storage search, section search and the bin determination. I am not doing anything, okay. I'm just saving it.
So in pallet and in cotton, we will not be following that steps, Sribai?
Pardon?
Or we are not going to test over here for that?
I didn't get you.
No. The search strategy, which we are trying to put for that particular bin, right?
Okay.
So for that bin also, we do have that concept search strategy.
Yes, yes.
Strategy.
Yeah,
so
section strategy you are telling, no? Section strategy. But there is no sections here. If I'm saying section check, there is no section here. So that is why I just removed it.
Not required. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. It will be there, no? Because if we are maintaining the section, then definitely it will be there. Okay. But as of now, for this, okay, only for this, I'm not maintaining. Like that I said. Okay.
Okay.
So define.
So is there any standard things where we will not be maintaining both cases? I mean, just wanted to make sure.
No. It will be there, bro. See, wherever the section is there, if the customer wants to go through the section search means you have to define that.
Okay.
But here
even for pallet and cotton also there will be available, but we are not testing right now.
Yes, correct. You are right. Anyway, you understood, no, the concept again and again. If I'm going through that, it is waste of time. Okay. So define storage type search sequence. I'll go here. Okay, it is fine. If I leave it 1 minute, also it is moving. Okay, I don't, because I connected with my mobile. That is the issue.
What happened, Sribai? What happened to your internet?
नहीं वो मोबाइल पे ना actually it will going to fluctuate now. That is why it will going to happen like this.
Okay.
That is 5G is coming, but still, okay, sometimes if it is converted to 4G, then this thing will going to happen. Okay, here I'll go to the master data. So we have defined the storage type, two different storage types we have defined already. I'll go to the goods receipt process. In the strategies, go to the storage type search and go to the define storage type search sequence. Okay, first search sequence I'm going to define it as new entries. I'll say warehouse is 1100 and my storage type search sequence is CBST. Same thing I'm maintaining. Okay, CBST. Okay, that is CBST storage type search sequence. Okay, and next one I'm going to maintain it as PLST. PLST storage type search sequence. Okay, so two different search sequence I have maintained now. Next, what is the thing? We have to assign our storage type to the storage type search sequence. Okay, so next, go to the next step here. Okay, assignment of the storage type. Okay, go to the new entries. Here my warehouse is 1100. Storage type search sequence is CBST, and I am assigning my storage type CBST to this particular search sequence. Okay, click enter. Okay, go to the new entries. My warehouse is 1100. Search sequence is CBST. For this, I am assigning CBST. Okay, click enter. So this one is done. Next one, my warehouse is 1100. My search sequence is TLST, and I'm assigning TLST as the storage type here. Okay, then just save it. Okay, then you know about the put away control indicator. We have already defined it. That is, leave it as it is. Okay, just go back and go to the specify storage type search sequence. See how we have specified. Okay, first thing we're going to check it. So first thing we have specified it based upon the stock type. Okay, if stock type you are taking, then it will be the primary priority. Okay, this is the first priority it will going to consider. Okay, next thing we are saying this what is that, put 1 and put 2, as well as along with that warehouse process type. Okay, we have defined based upon these things we will going to do the put away strategy. Okay, now I am defining one more that is based upon the quantity classification. Okay, quantity classification. What we have to do, just say new entries. Okay, my warehouse is 1100. You can say like I am having put away strategy. Okay, so that is put 1. If put 1 is there and quantity classification is C, then it should go to the search sequence CBST. Getting the concept here? Because in the material I have already given this one. That is why I am just taking this. Okay, or else I wouldn't have taken this. Put 1 is the what is that, put away control indicator, which we're going to assign it at the product, right? So here if you go to the material master, okay, if you go to the change and if you see the warehouse data, here we have given the put away control indicator. If you have not given here, just give C over there, that will going to work. Okay, as I have given here, that is why I'm taking both the things. Okay, put 1 is there, that put away control indicator, then quantity classification C, then it should go to the search sequence CBST. Getting the concept? And if it is 1100 is my warehouse, okay, let us consider put 2 is the RS. Put 1 only I'm going to define, because I am taking this PLST as well as CBST into what is that? Only for one material we're going to test it. Okay, not for both the materials. Okay, I'll say put 1 is there and P is there, then it should go for the PLST. Is there any doubt here? Simple thing I have defined. Okay, you may get the doubt in the optimization. Okay, because in the optimization, see now how we're going to define it. Okay, so this is one thing what we have done. Go to the optimization here. Okay, and if you check 1100, we have only one. See here, this is sequence 2 is there. Okay, this one only we have maintained. I can maintain new entries 1100. Sequence 1 I will going to maintain. That is for the quantity. Where is that? Stock type. No. This is stock type is the primary importance. Okay, stock type is the primary importance. I'll show you. I have the stock type also. B5, B6 is there, means it should go to the some block stock or the quality stock. We have maintained it no earlier. Okay, 1100. I am showing. See, I am having these two different what is that, sequences now. First sequence we have to provide it for the stock type. Okay, stock type. Okay, it is stock category. Stock type I have to provide. Okay, the first importance should be given to the stock type. You should remember this. Okay, first and foremost important will be given to the stock type. Then we can able to keep on giving for whatever we want. Okay, for whatever we want. But I want to give the second sequence for quantity classification. Okay, so what I will do, say new entries. Okay, 1100. Now okay, 1 minute, I'll go
we
back.
Already have 2, right? We have to delete that and we have to provide
no it's okay, you can give n number. Okay, you can give n number, don't delete anything.
No, sequence 0000 can be provided in that way also. No, right now you have provided 1.
Yes,
and 2 was already there.
Correct.
And right now you are trying to create for 2.
No, that is what this 2 I will not going to provide it now. Okay, I will going to create it 3. Okay, next sequence now I will going to create it 3.
Yes.
Then we're going to change these things. Okay, we tick marks you can able to change whenever you want. Correct?
Yes.
So what I'll do, new entries I'll say 1100, sequence is 3. I am taking anything you tick it right now. Okay, anything you tick it right now, I'll going to tell you how we're going to change it. Okay. Okay, I'll just save this. Okay, see, observe it here. Okay, this is important. Go back. I want to take only. Okay, I'll just say selection by content. Okay, here I will say warehouse number. Warehouse number is 1100. Choose. Okay, only 3 things will come. Okay, 4 things are there. That is fine. Okay, the first one, nothing is there. Leave it. Okay. So if it is 0, nothing is there, it is okay. No issues. Okay, or else you just delete it. Not an issue. Okay. So now you observe it. Okay. So first I am defining for the stock type. Stock type is of first and foremost importance. Correct? No?
Yeah.
Second one, what I have defined, if put away control indicator is put 1, then if the quantity classification is C or the P, then based upon that, it will go to the particular storage type search sequence. That one I have given. The second one, I'm going to give this. Then third one, I'm going to give for this. Okay. Like this also, we can able to change. Got the idea, right?
Yeah.
So I'll just save this. Okay. So optimization, I'm just saving it. Okay. Let us see how the material is coming. Once I'm going to take the material, where exactly the material is moving, we have to check it now. Okay. Just save it. Go back. Now what I will do, I am creating one PO. PO is already there. No, let us create VL31N directly. /n VL31N. Okay, purchase order. Or else it is better to create the PO because we're going to bring some material. Okay, so that we can check it. Okay, how the material is coming here like that. Okay, so what we'll do. Okay, another thing. What we will going to do. Both things we can able to check at a time. Okay, so I'll show you some other thing. If I'm taking the 9 materials I'm going to bring and 3 carton boxes I'm going to bring and 2 pallets I'm going to bring. How this will going to vary, we can able to check that. Okay, so just go to the path /n SPRO. Okay, this one is again and again. It will not close immediately also. That is the problem. Anyway. Okay, I'll go to the SPRO, IMG. Okay, here SCM EWM, Extended Warehouse Management, Goods Receipt Process. Okay, under that, inbound delivery. Here, inbound delivery, you go. Under the inbound delivery, define item types. Okay, here, define item types for inbound delivery. Not this one. Inbound delivery wizard, we have to check. Okay, define item types. For inbound delivery process. Define item types, determine process. Define item types. Okay, so okay, let me go over here. Okay, so if I open what is that IDLV EDI DLV. Okay, this is ours. Okay, just go to the yeah, this is one important. See, apply ERP alternate unit of measure as a what is that stock unit of measure. Okay, stock unit of measure means whatever the alternate unit of measure we are bringing, that one we should consider it as a stock unit of measure. I'm specifying it here. If you are not giving this, no, then what it will show, it will not going to take whatever the alternate unit of measure you are taking. Okay, so it will also take it as a eaches only. If I'm bringing one carton box, let us consider, it will not going to consider it as a carton box. It will just take it as a 10 eaches like that. Okay, if I'm bringing one pallet, it will going to take it 100 eaches and it will going to store. Okay, so that it should not happen. So that is why we should take this. Okay, when you're going to take this, then only we can able to proceed further. Okay, then only it will going to consider the carton box as well as the pallets. Got the idea? This tick mark should be there. Okay, any doubts here?
No.
Okay, so
by default, when we have copied copied the information, right? On that time itself, all this information has been copied along with the status profile, process control.
These profiles, everything is copied based upon that. It means if you are just creating one warehouse also, everything will be copied for you. Okay. This will be there for you. Okay. Yeah.
Yes. SUOM is a storage type unit of measure.
No. Here. See here, if you are seeing here, okay, so it is like stock specific. We will going to store the material means, okay, this alternate unit of measure will be there. This is the stock unit of measurement, I'll say. Okay. Alternate unit of measure. Yes. Alternate unit of measure means like one carton box and all we have given. Same way it should take for the stock unit of measurements. Okay. Like for the particular stock, okay, or stock specific, we'll going to utilize the unit of measurement as same as the alternate unit. Whatever the carton box it is coming, same thing I want to consider it here. Okay. So that is why I'm just using this. Got it?
Yes, got it.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll just go to, we'll create one PO, okay, ME21N. Okay, if you say open document overview on, here we have some, okay, let us consider only one. This is material one. Okay, we'll just take material one because we have defined it for material. Okay, material one is there. Let us consider if I am taking three different line items. One is material one, I'm taking only 9 eaches. Okay. Second thing, I can say copy. Okay, for this I am considering like how much like, okay, any 500 you can define. Okay, not an issue. Okay, here I'll going to say again one more 500 here. Okay, let us consider like this. Okay, we are defined three different line items, but for all the line items you should see, oh, two things are created. 1 minute, I'll just check it.
I think you have copied one.
Yeah, 4 it is, we have copied 2. Okay, now nothing will going to happen. It's okay, you can take, but how much ever you require now, you can take them. Okay, so all three line items. Okay, where is 10? 10 is not there.
10 कॉपी किए थे उसलिए वो भी डिलीट हो चुका है भाई.
Okay, 1 minute, I'll just do it once again. Do you want to save? No. This one adopt. Okay, just copy. Okay, that's it. So here, if you're seeing the line item 1, okay, sorry, line item 10, you can able to see the confirmation key. Okay, that is inbound delivery. Here also you can able to see the, for line item 2, here you can check. For this also you can see the confirmation key. For line item 3 also you can able to see the confirmation key. This is important. Okay, without this you cannot able to do the inbound delivery, right? So I am bringing 500 materials in each line items. Okay, I'll just save this. But while creating the 1251, okay, /n PL31N, okay, while creating the inbound delivery, okay, what I will do, copy, paste, quantity classification. Here I'll going to bring only 9 inches. Okay, see, for in the first line item I'm going to bring only 9 inches. Here I'll going to bring 2 carton. Okay, I'll going to say 2 carton box, and here I'll going to say some 2 or 1 pallet. Okay, like that I am going to define it here. Getting the idea? I am bringing some 500 I have defined over there, but here I am taking only 9 inches for the first line item. Second line item I am taking some 2 carton boxes. Third line item I am taking 1 pallet. Okay, then it should go to the different storage types now. Okay, that one we are checking it correct now. It should, if it is going, then whatever the strategy we have maintained, then it is perfect, or else some error is there in the strategy. Like that we should understand. Okay, I'll go to the PL31N. Okay, here I'll say 9 inches. Here some 3 carton box. Okay, and I'll say 2 pallet. Okay, like that I am considering and I am taking it, means 3 carton bricks means 30 materials are coming here. Here 200 materials are coming in the pallet. Getting the concept? Okay, I'll just save this. Okay, this is my inbound delivery. What is that? 2944. It is created. Okay, just copy it. If the whatever the pallet is coming, it should go to the pallet storage type. Okay, whatever the carton box is coming, it should go to the what is that carton box storage type. Then whatever the eaches are there, it should go to the storage type one. Correct? No, that is what the strategy is defining now. Okay, just go to /n/scwm/prdi. Okay, and here just put your inbound delivery number and execute. Okay, in this no documents found, something had deleted. Okay, we'll just check it in SMQ2. Okay, no, it's found. Okay, 1 minute, I have copied it correctly or not, I have checked. Inbound delivery, which one I have created now? Okay, I'll go to the /n C16n. I might have copied a wrong. Okay, 1 minute. Here 2944. No, it is correct only, I think. 2944 is the one. Just execute. Okay, 2938 only it is available. 2944 it's not there. Okay, why it is not there? We have to check it. Yes.
No, we can check the inbound delivery and we can check whether issues.
No, inbound delivery it is not coming. No, so why it is not coming? We have to check it now. Delivery. See, it is there. It is correct created, but it is not distributed. What is the issue? We have to see. But it is not there in the SMQ2. No, it is here not there. Why it is not coming? That is important. What did it call? Delivered document is assigned to warehouse number. Oh, sorry. Here, default value, some other thing is there. Okay, sorry for this. Okay, so now it will come. We have to read it thoroughly. Okay, then only we can able to. So for this 1100, okay, somebody has practicing down. So that is why he has changed it. Okay, so now 1100 is the one. Okay, in the 1100, we are having this particular document. Okay, so once I'll go to the inbound delivery, follow-on functions, and warehouse task. Okay, first I'll say create for this. Okay, once I'm going to say create for this. Okay, if you go down, you can see this 9 inches. No, it is going to split into some different bins and it is storing here. Okay, 8 materials it is going to this particular bin, and around 1 material it is going to this particular bin, because in this bin we have seen that earlier 16 kgs space was left, so that it is taking some 8 materials, and next storage type it is going to take one particular material. Okay, like that it is happening. And now I'll say create for this, because I am bringing some carton box, 3 carton box I am bringing. See, it is going to the CBST. Getting the concept? Just now we have defined the search sequence for this. Correct? No, this is 30 inches, like that it is showing us. Okay, 3 carton boxes, or else 3 carton boxes, or else whenever I'll bring the pallet, okay, I'll say create means it should go to the PLST. It is not going. Again, we have to restart. Okay, this is the final step what I want to show. That's it. Okay, however, we are bringing the material something like this, then it will be going through the different storage types. Okay, now what I want you people to do is, okay, try it out. Okay, please try it out. Where is the image? This is one task. Okay, one task I want to just do. Okay, I'm not getting the chair. Quantity classification. Or else storage type. Numericals. Okay, here I got. Okay, so just try it out. This is one entire storage type. Okay, this is one entire storage type. Now what you do here at the top portion, okay, create one section for this. In this section, you should put the pallets. In the top section, you should put the pallets. And in the in between section, 3 sections are there. In between section, you will going to put the carton boxes. And at the lower level, you're going to put the individual products. Can you try it and do it? See, all these things are in the same storage type. Okay, just try it out. How we will going to do it and all, you will going to understand. Okay, getting the concept?
Yeah.
Yeah, try it out. Okay, I'm just telling, try it out. So if you are not getting, we'll going to do it again. Okay, in the upcoming classes. Okay, but right now you okay. So it is not happening or what? Yeah, it is not yet happened. Okay, I just want to show that. We'll complete this, and this is the end of the class. Okay. You go to the PIDI screen, and this is your inbound delivery number. I'll go to the inbound delivery, follow on functions, warehouse task. Okay, I'll say create. You can see for the final one, I have to check. Okay, for the final one, if you go and check this. This is the pallet bin. It is going, okay, pallet storage type it is going, because we have defined something like that. Okay, if it is what is that, individual products are coming, it should go to the some storage bin, whatever we have defined it earlier. Okay, it is not changing. Okay, we are not changing those particular settings, but along with that, if carton box is coming, it should go to the carton box storage type. If pallet is coming, it should go to the pallet storage type. That's it. Okay, we are defining it here. Okay, now you just say create plus save. Go to the,
so all three together we cannot choose and create plus save, and we can't do.
we can do. I have done the same thing. No, I have chosen all the three and we have said create plus save, right?
Okay, no, now you have chosen that individual line, right? So that's why I was asking.
No, I have chosen all the three and I have said create plus save.
Okay.
You can do that. Okay, and here two different warehouse tasks are generating. One warehouse task, it is for the what is that, carton box and the pallet, and that is for the loose products. Okay, like that it is defined here. Okay, for the loose products, one thing, see, I am just choosing all the things and I'm saying confirm plus save. Okay, there also you can able to do it. Okay, it is confirmed now. So this is how we're going to do the quantity classification in the what is that, put away strategies. Okay, so from tomorrow we'll be looking forward for the HU management. Okay, HU management we have to check it tomorrow and somehow finish. Not finish. I'll try to complete a little bit about the HU management tomorrow. Then we'll consider, okay, what is this HU and all. We're going to see it tomorrow, and we'll try to do some activities also. Okay, along with the HU. Okay, so this is it for the today's class, and tomorrow we're going to consider the HU, and we'll try to finish as soon as possible. But it is taking some extra time only. Okay, we'll see that. Is there any doubts here in this class? No doubts. Okay, then I'll stop.